if you'd like a quick look in as to what happens at the TBEX welcome parties. Today we are partying on a boat on the Charles River in Quebec City. In the boat. So before I was drinking wine in the castle, now I'm drinking wine on a boat in front of the castle. Yeah, look at this. Beautiful. Yum yum. What an amazing day that was. I'm shattered. This is Amy from Temple Seeker. Make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next city, which is Montreal.